Okay, let's face it. I'm fat. Oh my god, I've been eating so much. Check this out. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Seriously, I've ate so much and I've gained like 3 kilos. Well, who couldn't be? I still wanna eat. And I'm craving for noodles. So, what can I do? Okay, alright. It's time for a diet plan. So, I happened to Google and I found this really amazing magical noodle. Shirataki noodles, aka miracle noodles, are noodles made from the Japanese konjac yam. Its main ingredients are water, powdered yam, and calcium hydroxide, which is hydrated lime. It's super low in calories, like only 10 calories per 100 gram and 3 grams of carbohydrate, which is perfect for dieting. Cooking this is really simple, which I'm going to show you today. Let's go! First, your shirataki noodles, then some cabbage, the purple and green one to add color, some protein, which is the egg, and the salt, and my favorite ingredient, grapeseed oil. First, chop all the vegetables into string of vegetables. Then, dry your noodles first. Make sure you put it in a pan and all the water is out so that it's easier for you to fry it later. Then, fry your cabbage. Make sure you don't make the same mistake as me because I forgot to add salt. Last but not least, fry the egg. I can assure you, this moon-shaped egg is not intentional. Then finally, you put everything onto the plate. I look so terrible.
Look at this eye bag.
Okay, do not concern about image. It's all about the content. It's about the content. Today, I'm not the main character. This is the main character, okay?
Taste test.
I'm a bit uneasy about this because I'm really bad at cooking. But for you guys, I'm willing to go ahead with it. Only if you can see it. Look! The noodles became blue. Needs a bit of soy sauce. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. Soy sauce, soy sauce, soy sauce. Well, it's edible. The noodles is really springy. It's not like soft. It's quite, how do you say? Yeah, it's springy. Basically, it's quite springy. The taste tastes almost exactly the same as glass noodles. If some of you have tried glass noodles before, and I'm the veggie person, so I like veggies regardless of how they cook. I kind of burn my eggs, but it's okay. My cooking can improve. Yeah, definitely. My cooking can definitely use a lot more work,
but it's not the ingredients' fault, it's the chef's fault. If you are a better chef than me, I highly recommend you trying this noodles. Not this recipe, but like this noodles. It can be a really good addition to your meal plans. Now, so I'm just going to finish this. It may take me a while because it's not like the best thing in the world. But yeah, so I hope you like this episode. If you like it, just give it a thumbs up. I really worked really hard on making this noodles, and give me a comment down below on how I can improve better. I really would love to learn. And if you have not subscribed me, do subscribe me at the button down below. You see, subscribe me. And I hope you see you soon. I love all of you, and stay tuned. Bye. Am I really gonna finish this?